Withdrawing money from your PlayStation account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Sign into your account. Log into your PlayStation account using your console or the PlayStation app. Make sure you are using the account that has the funds you wish to withdraw. Step 2. Access wallet settings. Navigate to the settings menu. From there, select account management and then go to wallet or payment management to view your current balance and transaction options. Step 3. Select withdrawal option. Look for an option that allows you to withdraw funds. This may be labeled as withdraw funds or transfer to bank account. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details. Make sure to provide accurate information, including your bank name, account number, and routing number to avoid any issues with the transfer. Step 5. Confirm and complete the transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank account for the transfer, which may take a few business days to complete.